Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can set up and use your Xiaomi AW300, and it's going to be like a complete guide that you're going to see actually it's working, and also what you can actually do with the camera. Now I'm going to remove my camera so you're going to see everything. So first thing first, when we're going to be here, what you want to do is that when you're going to open it, you're going to find adapter in it. It's going to be in this packaging. It's going to be right on top of your box. What you want to do is pretty simple. First thing first, just plug it in like this when you're going to have it to your router, let's say, your outlet. And now when you're going to do it, what will happen is that you're going to find this light there, the orange one. It means that it's waiting for connection. Now, okay. What you have to do now is, this is going to be really simple. You have to go to Play Store, Google Play, and right there, camera, Xiaomi camera. Xiaomi camera. And here you're going to find the MI Home. I already got it installed, but this is the app that you want to install, MI Home. When you're going to install it, then you're going to be, you have to create account. Now this process is going to take you like 2 to 3 minutes, like creating with your email and all of that. And just stop the video, install the app, and also install it for your phone, and then just let's continue when you are going to be here. Now there are 2 ways how you can connect with your Xiaomi device. So the first way is that when you would, from the bottom, you're gonna see the scan here, the scan QR code. Do you see that? So you would scan the QR code, or what you can do, and what I like to do, is just connect it with the Bluetooth. So I'm going to show you how to do it with the Bluetooth and also with the scanning. So to scan it with your phone, all you have to do is go to top right, and then you're going to have a scan, and you would scan the QR code. But what I like to do, I just go to plus, add the device, okay, and turn on the Bluetooth, allow. And do you see that? So right now I can see the Xiaomi outdoor camera to discover nearby devices. So I'm going to press on it. And then when I pressed on it, I got it right now like pre-connected. So what I'm going to do now, I'll turn on my Wi-Fi. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, select Wi-Fi. And I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi. It's a really important thing is that you're going to read here, Wi-Fi networks that cannot be used for this device. And I can't use this router only because I got like 5GZ. So you have to just have a good router, and if you can't also use the router, get the extension or your laptop. So now I'm going to press this one, and I'm going to press next. Connect the device. Okay, it's connecting. And now what it wants to do, it wants me to connect my Wi-Fi that I'm connected with the phone to the Xiaomi. So right now I'm going to scan the QR code. I got no idea how to scan it, to be honest. So I hope you can see that. That I get it, it's not that easy to do. Yeah, I will probably have to move it like this. So we just have to lock it like this so you can get to the QR code. Oh, I got. Okay, see, failed to send message. Try again. So let's see if it's going to work. See, connected successfully. And now what we have to do is that where we want to actually have it, the camera. Wait a second, I will just like connect it. Oh my fucking god. Sorry for cursing. Then I will create a new room. I would have a bedroom. Okay. Next. Next. Then I will go also Display large cars on the home page next. Okay. And now, agree. Look at this. So now it should work. Now, as you can see, I will just show you around how it's possible to use it. Right now, you can see my camera. I have to like protect it like this, so it's not going to fall again. Don't fall on me. So right now, as you can see, when I'm going to have it like this, you can always see the camera in the video here. So when I would like have it like this, and I would take it, you see that. So you see my whole room right now. And it's working pretty well. So I'll just leave it like this. And let's see what we can do. Now, I'll just go back. And what you can find here are multiple things. I will just lower a little bit the... Now it's more clear. Now when you would open it, what you can do, you can brighten it. Do you see? Right now I just turned on the brightness for like 30 seconds. Then you're gonna have the volume there. Then you're gonna have the video quality, so you can have auto or 363 or 2K HD. So you're gonna have even better video quality if you want to have it like that. Then you're gonna have the microphone there. So you can like, I'm speaking right now. And let's say someone will be outside, like a kid, and I want to speak to him. So I would just like press this microphone button. And I would just like, man, or clown. I mean, let's say there is a night outside and someone is going to walk like trespassing, right? And you're going to choose the microphone and you're going to choose a clown. God damn. Like, let me tell you, that person would run. So then you're going to have the thing here, which is like a picture. So you can take a picture. Then also you can have like a record a video. Like what is happening right now. Or you can play alert. I'm not going to do it only because my kids are sleeping. Then you're going to have the surveillance here. So I understand. Now you can have the surveillance of what was like the happening. Then you're going to have playback. So you can have the cloud or SD card. And then you're going to have the storage management where you're going to have the cloud, or you can subscribe to it if you want to, local or SD card again. So that's about it. Now when I go to the top right to the three dots, then I'm going to have like home surveillance settings, and you can have like the monitoring time, a daily, all day, then the sensitivity setting, alarm interval, all of that you're going to find here. That possibly can be like good to and for the setup. And that's pretty much it for the whole camera. So it's super simple setup. Then you just like put it to your wall with the screws and everything, and that's how we're gonna do it. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video a little bit helped you on how we can set it up and how we can use it. Let me down in the comments if you want to get more information here about that camera, and have a great day and goodbye.